Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Wild Facts, where we explore the amazing and sometimes terrifying creatures that share our planet. Today, we are going to count down the top 10 most dangerous animals in the world. Are you ready? Let's go! Number 10. Scorpions. These ancient arachnids have been around for over 400 million years, and they have evolved to be one of the most venomous animals on Earth. There are more than 2,000 species of scorpions, of which about 25 can kill a human with their sting. Scorpions are mostly found in hot and dry regions, such as Mexico, North Africa, the Middle East, and India, where they hide under rocks, logs, or in shoes and clothing. Scorpions kill about 200 people per year, mostly children and elderly, who are more vulnerable to their toxins. If you ever encounter a scorpion, do not touch it or provoke it, and seek medical attention if stung. Number 9. Lions. Lions are the king of the jungle, but they are also the king of the man-eaters. Lions are the largest and most powerful of the big cats, with a bite force of over 1,000 pounds per square inch. Lions are native to Africa and parts of Asia, where they live in prides and hunt large prey, such as zebras, wildebeest, and buffalo. However, some lions develop a taste for human flesh, either due to injury, old age, or habitat loss. Lions kill about 250 people per year, mostly in rural areas where they attack people who work in the fields, sleep in unprotected huts, or walk at night. To avoid being eaten by a lion, do not approach them, make noise, or run away, as this may trigger their hunting instinct. Number 8. Elephants. Elephants are the largest and most intelligent land animals, but they can also be very dangerous when provoked, stressed, or mistreated. Elephants have a strong sense of memory, emotion, and social bonding, which makes them loyal, compassionate, and sometimes vengeful. Elephants are found in Africa and Asia, where they face threats from poaching, habitat loss, and human-wildlife conflict. Elephants kill about 500 people per year, mostly by trampling, goring, or crushing them with their massive weight and tusks. To avoid being harmed by an elephant, do not get too close to them, especially when they are in must, a state of heightened aggression and sexual activity. Also, do not block their path, disturb their young, or make sudden movements or noises. Number 7. Hippos. Hippos are the heaviest land animals after elephants, weighing up to 4,000 kilograms. They are also very aggressive and territorial, especially when defending their young or their water sources. Hippos are found in sub-Saharan Africa, where they spend most of their time in rivers and lakes, emerging at night to graze on grass. Hippos kill about 500 people per year, mostly by charging, biting, or trampling anyone who crosses their path. Hippos have huge mouths, sharp teeth, and powerful jaws, which can inflict severe injuries or even bite a person in half. To avoid being killed by a hippo, do not get between them and the water, do not approach their young, and do not underestimate their speed and agility, as they can run up to 30 kilometers per h on land. Number 6. Crocodiles. Crocodiles are the largest and most powerful living reptiles, capable of crushing the bones of their prey with their jaws. Crocodiles have been around for over 200 million years, and they have adapted to a variety of habitats, from freshwater to saltwater, from Africa to Australia. Crocodiles kill about 1,000 people per year, mostly by dragging them underwater and drowning them in a death roll. Crocodiles are ambush predators, which means they wait for their prey to come close to the water's edge and then strike with lightning speed and force. To avoid being eaten by a crocodile, do not swim or wade in waters where they are known to live. Do not feed them, and do not disturb their nests or eggs. Number 5. Tsetse flies. Tsetse flies are blood-sucking flies that are found in sub-Saharan Africa, where they transmit a parasite that causes sleeping sickness, a fatal disease that affects the nervous system. Tsetse flies are about the size of a housefly, but they have a long proboscis that pierces the skin and draws blood. Tsetse flies infect about 10,000 people per year, of whom 3,000 die. Sleeping sickness symptoms include fever, headache, joint pain, confusion, and coma. There is no vaccine or preventive drug for sleeping sickness, and the treatment is often toxic and painful. To avoid being bitten by a tsetse fly, wear long sleeves and trousers, avoid bright colors, and use insect repellent. Number 4. Dogs. Dogs are man's best friend, but they can also be man's worst enemy. Dogs are the most widely domesticated animals, with over 900 million of them in the world. Dogs are loyal, intelligent, and affectionate, but they can also be dangerous, especially when they are poorly trained, abused, or neglected. Dogs cause up to 99% of all rabies transmissions to humans, resulting in about 59,000 deaths per year. Rabies is a viral disease that causes inflammation of the brain and spinal cord, leading to paralysis, hallucinations, and death. Dogs also injure or kill people through bites, mauling, or attacks, especially when they are provoked, scared, or hungry. To avoid being harmed by a dog, do not approach unfamiliar or stray dogs. Do not tease or annoy them, and do not run away from them, as this may trigger their chase instinct. Number 3. Snakes. Snakes are legless, scaly, and slithery reptiles that have fascinated and frightened humans for centuries. There are over 3,000 species of snakes, of which about 600 are venomous, and about 200 are medically important. Snakes kill between 81,000 and 138,000 people per year, mostly in Africa and Asia, where access to antivenom is limited. The most venomous snake in the world is the inland taipan, which can kill a human in 45 minutes with a single bite. Other deadly snakes include the black mamba, the king cobra, and the saw-scaled viper. To avoid being bitten by a snake, do not touch or handle them. Do not walk barefoot or in tall grass, and do not sleep on the ground. Number 2. Humans. Humans are the second most deadly animals on Earth, with an estimated 19,141 homicides per year in the United States alone. Humans also cause harm to each other and the environment through wars, crimes, pollution, and deforestation. Humans are the only animals that kill for reasons other than survival, such as greed, revenge, or ideology. Humans have the potential to be the most intelligent, creative, and compassionate animals, but they also have the potential to be the most destructive, violent, and cruel. To avoid being killed by a human, do not trust strangers, do not get involved in conflicts, and do not break the law. Number 1. Mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are the most dangerous animals in the world, responsible for more than 700,000 deaths per year, mainly due to the diseases they carry, such as malaria, dengue fever, yellow fever, Zika, and encephalitis. Mosquitoes are small, flying insects that feed on the blood of humans and animals. Mosquitoes are found in almost every region of the world, except for Antarctica and some islands. Mosquitoes transmit diseases by injecting saliva into the skin of their hosts, which contains pathogens or parasites. To avoid being infected by a mosquito, use mosquito nets, wear long sleeves and pants, and apply insect repellent. And that's it for today's episode of Wild Facts. I hope you learned something new and interesting about the 10 most dangerous animals in the world. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.